Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, people are saying a lot of different things about Uma Khumalo on social media. As we all know, towards the end of the season, uMusamseleku bought uMacele a huge house, a very beautiful house. Like it was such a gorgeous house. So Musa Mseleku didn't tell the wives that he bought a house for Umacele. He just surprised them, invited them over, and then when they were there, he then started telling them, "Good to know, actually, guys, this house is Macele's house." People had different reactions. I will insert a video. I will just put a video so that you guys can see people's different reactions. But people on social media are just complimenting Umangwabe because it seems like she's the only one that was like happy for Umacele. People are saying Guti Umayeni naye, she was not that happy. Umakumalo didn't even say congratulations to Umacele because sana yena her reasoning Umakumalo, she said ukuthi they are not on speaking terms. So why would she congratulate someone who is not on speaking terms with her?
I did not know that Lomuzo Gamacele, but do I know the house? Yes, I do. The previous owners, I used to know them. So for me, ukubala, ngiyawazi ukuziphatha ngazo ukuthi ubelonga kumuntu wakamseleko.
Yeah,
Awu. Hayi, sanibongela baba. Ngicela sikhulumisane. When she came in, she didn't greet me because sasikhulumisane. So ngizobe ngizenza isilima ke manje ukuthi sengithi ngiyakubongela sibe sikakhulumisane. Am I happy for being ambushed? No, I'm not, because I was told ukuthi siya kwi-family fun day somewhere and I asked questions kumthobeni, but akabonanga kumele angitshele ukuthi last yakhona kwesima kanjani ukuze ngichoose ukuthi ngiyaya or not. So again, I feel betrayed. I would not have come. I would not have eaten if maybe bigger jelly, because me eating food but not talking to the owner of the house.
I don't know, guys. Looking at the video, do you guys think Umakumalo was jealous of Macele's house? Because also another thing is that their houses look so similar. Like they look so similar. So people are saying Gutsumseleku bought that house for Umacele just to spite Umakumalo. He just did it to spite Umakumalo. And Umakumalo is feeling the heat, Sana. She is feeling the heat. And also, I feel like she shouldn't have mentioned, ukuthi, oh, I know this house, I know this, whatever. Because now people are thinking that she is jealous of the house. Why did she even mention that she knows the house? But anyway, we just wish her all the best. Magdala, the house is gorgeous. And I just hope they will one day be able to fix their issues and just, be together again.